This is the Manganian wire equivalent. Nana actually ela untadi wire. This is the Manganian wire nana AB. Okay, Manganian wire length capital L, resistance capital R. It is connected to the battery EMF E. Plug key. What is the use of plug key? Switch on and off. And again resistance. Okay, this is called series resistance, RS. Okay, look here. Here Manganian wire AB of EMF E, plug key K. Yesterday I discussed primary circuit. This total circuit is called primary circuit. Here, what is the question? To determine the internal resistance of the battery or cell. Then, whose internal resistance is determined, that is connected to the secondary circuit. Look here, this is the secondary circuit. Here its EMF E1, internal resistance smaller. Look here. Okay, Nana, the cell whose internal resistance determined, that is connected to the secondary circuit through galvanometer, through jockey here. Okay, look the diagram now. Here this battery connected external resistance through plug key. Look here, this plug key name K1. Here, what is the plug key? What is the use of K1? Here, K1 is open, battery and resistor not connected. K1 is closed, battery and resistor connected. Look the meaning and hold. K is closed, comma, K1 is open. K1 open means, Nana, here external resistor not included. That means simply call as external resistor excluded. That means not connect to the external resistance. Now mana use enti, jockey name cheyali, jockey J moved on the wire. Look the diagram. Jockey J moved on the wire. At a particular point, galvanometer current becomes 0. Yesterday I discussed why galvanometer current 0. EMF in the primary circuit balanced by EMF in the secondary circuit. So this corresponding balancing length is called L1. Okay, Nana, L1. Look here, Nana. We know that principle of potentiometer. Yesterday I discussed V directly proportional to L. Here V is write as E1 corresponding balancing length is L1. Once again I repeat, what is the balancing length? L1. This is equation number 1. Any doubt, Nana? Look here. In the first case, look the board. Here K is always closed. Closed means current flow. By here K1 also closed. Look the diagram. K close, K1 close. K1 close means R is included. Once again I repeat, R is included. That means R is connected. Again, Jackie J moved on the wire. Finally, Nana, Jackie J moved on the wire. Finally, galvanometer current becomes 0. Why galvanometer current 0? Yesterday I discussed basic design. EMF in the primary circuit balanced by EMF in the secondary circuit. Again, what is the principle? Mari galvanometer current 0. That corresponding balancing length denoted by L2. L1 eppudu nana? L1 is R is not connected. L2 eppudu? R is connected. What is the principle? V directly proportional to L. Here the corresponding balancing length L2. ఈసారి E1 రాదు. ఎందుకు అంటే R ఎప్పుడైతే ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసామో కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. దట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ టర్మినల్ వోల్టేజ్. సో హియర్ V ఈజ్ దేర్. ఇందాక R లేదుగా నాన్న. సో వోల్టేజ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద EMF. ఇక్కడ వోల్టేజ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద టర్మినల్ వోల్టేజ్. బికాస్ R ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్. That cell across the voltage is called terminal voltage. V directly proportional to L2. Once again repeat. Here L1 is called balancing length before connecting the external resistance. L2 balancing length after connecting the external resistance. Hold. Equation 2. Look here now. Equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 left side E1. Equation 2 left side V. Okay. Right side L1 by L2. Okay. Look here Nana. Okay, this is here. This is equation number 3. Nana, in the previous, we know that battery discharge. Nana, here go. Battery discharge. We know that terminal voltage formula. What is the terminal voltage formula? V equal to E minus IR. We know that V की formula E minus IR. Battery charge V की formula E plus IR. Here V is V, but E is in the secondary circuit E1 minus Ohm's law. I ante Ohm's law V by R. E1 by total resistance, that right external plus internal. Once again I repeat, look the board, no doubt. Look here, V equal to, in the secondary circuit EMF is E1, current is E1 by total resistance, that write as R plus R, Ohm's law, into small r. Here right side common E1. Finally here LCM is R plus R. Look here cross multiply. R plus R minus R what? Cancel. Finally V equal to, look here, E1 R by R plus R. Okay, this is applicable when a battery is discharged. Look here, Nana. In the equation 3, E1 is E1. What is the terminal voltage formula when a battery is discharged? Directly write as E1 R by R plus R. Okay, here we write here E1 cancel. Right side L1 by L2. Here reverse ulta. R plus R by capital R equal to L1 by L2. What is our agenda? Internal resistance determine. Here neatly write R by R 1. R by R equal to L1 by L2 plus other side minus R by R equal to L1 by L2 minus 1. Neatly write as internal resistance equal to capital R into L1 by L2 minus 1. This is the formula for internal resistance of the cell. Okay, look here, write down. Formula for small r, capital R into L1 by L2 minus 1. Look here. Here, what is the small r? Small r is called internal resistance of the cell. Capital R is external resistance. L1 is balancing length before connecting the capital R. L2 is balancing length after connecting the capital R. L1 balancing length before connecting the capital R. L2 balancing length after connecting the capital R. Nana resistance eppudu positive value untadi. That's why eppudu kuda L1 value greater than L2 untadi. L1 minus L2 positive avvali ante nana compulsory L1 greater than L2 undali. Ante before connecting the capital R its length is more compared to after connecting the resistance. Very important nana. ఇందాక ఇలా చేస్తా ఉన్నప్పుడు టెర్మినల్ వోల్టేజ్ ఏం ఫామ్ లో వచ్చింది? ఈ capital R by R plus R. This is also very important when battery discharging. Terminal voltage formula. These two formulas is most important. Look here. I give some formulas. Principle of potentiometer. V directly proportional to L. Simply potential fall depends upon the balancing length. Completed. Next, yesterday I discussed two cells are compared. What is the E1 by E2 formula? L1 by L2. Another formula, first two cells is in series. In the situation corresponding balancing length L1. Here one cell is reverse, that means opposing. Two cells in supposing, two cells in opposing, corresponding balancing length L2. In the situation E1 by E2 formula is, we know that L1 plus L2 by L1 minus L2. Okay, look here now. Potential gradient. Look here now. Now I discuss potential gradient. Generally, temperature gradient means temperature by length. Velocity gradient means velocity by length. Temperature gradient means temperature by length. Velocity gradient means velocity by length. Potential gradient means potential by length. Okay, this can be derived. Yesterday I discussed potential fall formula. Gurtunda meeku I into R by capital L into small l. Okay, look here. Dini prakaram potential fall some length equal to I into R by L. This is called potential gradient. What is the formula for potential gradient? I into R by L. Okay, this is potential for some length is called potential gradient. What is the formula for potential gradient? I into R by capital L. Here that means potential gradient increase avvalanakondi. Potential gradient increase avvali means potential fall increase avvali ante current in the primary circuit increase avvali. Okay na? And potential gradient increase avvali ante resistance of the manganese wire increase avvali and length of the manganese wire decrease avvali. Look here, potential gradient increase avvali ante, once again I repeat, current in the primary circuit increase avvali, resistance in the manganese wire increase avvali, length of the manganese wire decrease avvali. Look the formula nana. Ravi aa cheyi guttu dise. Next nana I ante E by R plus RS plus R. Gurtunda nana chuskoవాలి. Simply called as this is total resistance in the circuit. I ante E by R. Potential gradient increase avvali ante EMF in the primary circuit more undali. Okay, potential gradient more undali ante total resistance in the circuit less undali. Because universally, look here, potential gradient more, current in the primary circuit more, ORR, EMF in the primary circuit more, ORR, total resistance in the circuit is less. Potential gradient is more, resistance of the manganese wire more, and length of the manganese wire less. Okay, ఇది potential gradient. Okay, potential gradient అంటే ఏంటి? potential fall. Potential fall. Look here. Next, I discuss sensitivity. Sensitivity of the potentiometer. Sensitivity means nana sensitive person means small issues kuda more rise ayye vallani sensitive antaru. ఇప్పుడు అంటే సెన్సిటివిటీ మోర్ ఉండాలి అంటే స్మాల్ కరెంట్స్ పాసింగ్ ఇట్ ఈజీలీ డిఫ్లెక్ట్. అంటే సింపుల్ గా సెన్సిటివిటీ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు పొటెన్షియల్ గ్రేడియంట్. సింప్లీ లుక్ హియర్, లెస్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఫాల్ కానీ సెన్సిటివిటీ మోర్. అంటే లెస్ కరెంట్స్ పాసింగ్ బట్ ద ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ ఈజీలీ టు ఐడెంటిఫై. అంటే స్మాల్ కరెంట్స్ ని కూడా మెజర్ చేసే ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ ని సెన్సిటివిటీ అంటారు. అన్నా వెరీ స్మాల్ కరెంట్స్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ద పొటెన్షియోమీటర్ దట్ ఆల్సో మెజర్డ్ దట్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్. Simply, sensitivity and potential gradient always inversely. Simply, less potential difference, sensitivity is more. And inversely, sensitivity and potential gradient always inversely. మీకు ఇందాకే చెప్పాను, V/L ఫార్ములా గుర్తుందా మీకు? ఫార్ములా I/L. Sensitivity directly proportional to L/IR. The question is, sensitivity more unte more రావాలి అంటే ఏ మోర్ ఉండాలి? Length of the Manganian wire more because directly proportional. Okay, and again current flow in the primary circuit less because inversely, and resistance of the Manganian wire less. Now, sensitivity of the potentiometer increased by using length of the Manganian wire more, current in the primary circuit less, and resistance of the Manganian wire less. Okay, this is the main usage. I formula Ohm's law, E/R total. Look here, sensitivity more, that means EMF also less because I directly proportional. Sensitivity more avali ante EMF in the primary circuit less undali, total resistance in the circuit ఏమవ్వాలి అంటే మోర్ ఉండాలి. నిదానంగా కూర్చొని ఫార్ములా రాసుకొని డైరెక్ట్లీ ఉన్నప్పుడు సెన్సిటివిటీ మోర్ అనా, లెంత్ ఆల్సో మోర్. సెన్సిటివిటీ మోర్, కరెంట్ లెస్, రెసిస్టెన్స్ లెస్. హియర్ capital R indicate resistance of the Manganian wire. Capital L indicate total length of the Manganian wire. Small l indicate balancing length. Page number 215 nana, 215. Question number 85 nana. Look here. Page number 215. Question number 85 nana. The question is nana, the question is nana, EMF of the battery A is balanced by length 80 centimeters. The EMF of the another cell is 1 volt balanced by 50 centimeters. E1 is E nana. Corresponding balancing length is given 80 centimeters. To see the question, E2 is given 1 volt nana, 1 volt. L2 is given 50 centimeters. Find E1. We know that principle of potentiometer V directly proportional to L. Simply comparison of two cells E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. Here E1 write as E nana, here E2 write as 1. L1 value 80, L2 value 50. Neatly solve, finally we get 1.6. Okay. Next problem nana, the problem number 86, most important problem nana. Here initially two cells in the secondary circuit connected in series. Here how many cells are there? Two cells are connected in series. Corresponding length is L1 is 800 centimeter. Another part, look here. In the two cells, one of the cell is reverse. That means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Look here. One of the cell is reverse, one of the cell is reverse. Its corresponding balancing length is L2 is 600 centimeters. Okay. Here find E1 by E2. Already this concept formula yesterday I given. Two cells in series, two cells in oppose. Direct formula L1 plus L2 by L1 minus L2. What is the L1 value? 800, 600, 800, 600, 1400, 800 minus 600, 200, 1400 by 200. 7:1. Okay, this is the ratio. Write down now. Series, two cells in series opposition. E1 by E2 formula L1 plus L2 by L1 minus L2. 87 nana. The problem number 87. Look here nana. Here 6 identical cells, no internal resistance, are connected in series in the secondary circuit of a potentiometer. The balancing length is L. In series, what happens? The EMF nana add. In series, current is constant, voltage is add. Simply this is 6E. Okay. Here L1 is L. Corresponding balancing length is L. The second question is second question is in the 6 cells, 2 cells are wrongly connected. Wrongly connected formula we know that net EMF is N minus 2M into E. Here L2 value is given L by 3. Sorry. Balancing length is determined. Here N indicate total number of cells minus 2 into M indicate number of wrongly connected cells. Wrongly connected cells is 2 into E nana. 6 minus 4, 2E. Nana, we know that comparison of EMF of two cells is E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. What is the E1 value? 6E. What is the E2 value? 2E. Right side, L1 value L. L2 value L2. E cancel. 6 by 2, 3. 3 equal to L by L2. L2 by L equal